All right, we now move on to Ielts speaking part 2, and your topic is describe an activity that you usually do that wastes your time. So you do means present tense.
Yes.
So you'll have to speak in the present tense. Okay, please start.
When I'm free, there are sorry, start. There are many games which can I play. Mostly like I football. I am a gold medalist in football. When I'm free, then I'm going to playground, playing for football. Because I feel they are wasteful. Because they don't achieve my intent purpose. When I can play football, I'm feel fresh and better.
Okay, carry on, carry on.
Sir,
That's it.
first
Okay,
day.
you spoke for half minute only.
Sir, first
So
day
don't
today.
worry. In actual exam, you have to speak for 1 minute.
Inshallah.
So try to get some courage and
Yeah.
ideas, and you'll be fine.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, let's move on to speaking part 3. How do you balance work and life?
Sir. Work have on priority and balance. I have, I think when I have time, then I will work my more best.
Okay, this answer is not appropriate. Anyways,
Yes,
थोड़ा
sir.
focus करें.
Sir,
आपके
वो
answers topic
आज
के मुताबिक नहीं हैं.